Hey gang, Sarah here. I'm here to set up my productivity system for August, and you can see down in the lower right hand corner that I have the word fun written out there. So if you were an OG Plan the Grind person, you all know that I kind of used to drive a continuous improvement project for the year. And I've been away from that. That's, I think, one of the bigger things that I've noticed by not having my productivity system is that I didn't have any intention or fulfillment. So anyway, the month of August has always been fun for me, and as a theme fun. And I'm bringing it back this year as well because I want to make sure that I really try to enjoy the rest of the summer. Because we're in New England here, so the fall is coming, which means that winter's coming, and that means hibernation is coming in my mind. So I'm really focusing on fun because this is really the thing that keeps me well-rounded. These themes each month helps me just stay intentional and prioritize myself, and it kind of gets rid of that feeling of doing for everybody else and not for me. It gives me time to focus on myself, to work on some of the things that I want to do, and every month they change. So August is fun, and a couple of the things that I'm doing for fun this month is that I want to extend my fun into the fall, so I want to create a fall bucket list. I'm actually going to a concert, so planning that concert and what I'm going to wear. It should be a really fun concert, so I'm excited to see that. And another thing is I'm planning a trip for Vegas, which is in September, so I have to plan that. I think I mentioned that in my Plan With Me, but it's a large group. And I'm just really excited because I do think it's going to be a really fun trip. And then the other things that I'm trying to focus on with fun is for my family. So I'm carrying that theme over into my family. And I said that I wanted to do a summer cookout, but I think that was kind of a poor thought process in my mind. So I'm actually going to do it in the fall because I think my house is more set up for fall because I don't have a pool or anything, and it's been pretty hot this summer. So I'm going to do a fall cookout. So I want to plan that and have a fire and all that kind of thing. So I'm carrying that theme over into some other months. And anyway, so I just want to make sure that I have a well-rounded year. That's the intent, really. And this is, the thing that was really missing in my my productivity system is that when do I actually have some fun, right? And when do I do things for me, right? So these themes are really what brings that in. And I'm just using my sidebar to really set the intentions for the month. And that is all about the different areas of my life. So for work, I have a class that kicks off in August. So I need to prep for that. I kind of need to get my understanding of the outline and all that fun stuff. I'm going to continue to work through that communication book because although I'm having fun, I still need to be well-rounded. So I need to make sure that and it's just not all about fun, unfortunately, but we need to be balanced, right? And then I need to confirm that we're ready for strategic planning at work for the remainder of the year. That's usually when it gets pretty busy for me. And then for finance, I was trying to think of what are the things that I need to buy? So I kind of have a running, it's almost like a future log of all the months in the year. And I just put the big expenses that come out each month so I'm not blindsided by them because I know I have them, but then I kind of forget. So it's going to be a pretty expensive month, to be completely honest. I have 2 kids starting college, so their bills are due. And then one of them, I got to get ready for college. It's his first year, so he needs some things like laptops, that kind of stuff. So that's really what I'm focusing on for. That's family, but also finance because it is going to be just a big hit. And that's also kind of the mom Sarah prepping for supporting my kids in this kind of next stage they're in. And I just still can't believe that they're both in college. But anyway, I'm having a mom moment as I talk about this. And so other than that, the theme of fun is really in my health category. So these different themes, sometimes I do finance, sometimes I do love, sometimes I do joy. yeah, so every month it's a different thing. And I'm bringing that back. And I know that we talked about this in the past. And I hope you guys will follow along with me and do it. Because I truly believe this is one of the cornerstones of my productivity system that helps me stay like well-rounded and gives me like energy and momentum, right? Because I've been in a situation where I'm just like, do. And it's like, damn, what am I doing this for? This sucks. But for me, this is really something that I know I've been missing for the last year. And I'm really excited to kind of kick this back off. And I know it's August, but it's better late than never, right? And kind of September is like starting a new year, if you think of it, because it's like the school new year. So it's almost like Happy New Year #2 instead of January. So I kind of like that mindset as well. So what are you guys working on for fun? Like, what fun things do you all have coming up? Because I am thrilled. I'm going to the Usher concert, by the way, and I just love Usher. So anyway, I can't wait to go. So what kind of fun things do you guys have planned? Put them in the comments, because this will be fun for all of us to talk about this, because we always just talk about like getting stuff done around here. And it's time to have a little fun at Plant the Grind. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.